The honors program at Fullerton College has some great benefits to offer for our students. I'm the coordinator of the honors program, Jody Balma, available to help if you have questions. We're located upstairs in the College Center, Building 200, in room 225. What we offer is a community of scholars, smaller classes, dedicated faculty, campus leadership roles. Our coursework involves high-impact learning with research opportunities. We have high rates of transfer to universities, membership in honor societies, and scholarship opportunities as you transfer. So to join honors, you need a 3.4 GPA in high school or your college GPA. We also love faculty referrals. If you don't quite make that 3.4 GPA, and there's a faculty member, a teacher who recommends you, we can consider you. Our veterans and returning students, our special admit students, all have a great time in the honors program, and they can self-select. If you've been out of college for 5 years, you can self-select into the program and not worry about trailing GPA that might be following you. We offer invitations to join the program if you make the Dean's List or the President's List here at Fullerton College. Some of the benefits we offer, we're part of the Honors Transfer Council of California, which includes about 50 community college honors programs throughout the state. And we have transfer partnerships with other schools. So everything from Amherst to Williams, lots of our students transfer to the Cal State Fullerton University Honors Program or the Business Honors Program, to Concordia or Chapman, UCI, to Scripps. Lots of transfer agreements with these partners. We also have transfer agreements as Fullerton College with UCLA, the TAP program, and UCI. We have some forms that you fill out to take advantage of those transfer agreements. We're really proud of UCLA. Our honors certified students, meaning that they complete the program, have 84% acceptance rate, while if you're not in the program, just a transfer student, the Fullerton College acceptance rate was 17%. Berkeley takes a lot of our students. Santa Barbara, Santa Cruz, the UCs have really high acceptance rates for our students. Again, if you're a special admit or a veteran or returning student, this might be the place for you. We really love all of our students, and there's a great camaraderie and networking, just a sense of community in the honors program, and so our students have really succeeded. Jack Kent Cooke scholarships, transferring to Stanford. Our graduate students keep in touch with us, so we have students at Harvard Medical School, Harvard Dental School, Berkeley, Oxford, London School of Economics, all over the country. Our transfer alumni have really succeeded. Corey Lamb at Stanford was also a Jack Kent Cooke recipient. Cal, we have lots of graduates at Cal and UCLA. So really, honors helps people succeed and transfer. What the coursework is like, it's high impact learning. It's seminar style classes with student presentations and research papers. It's designed for deeper discovery. It's not supposed to be the hardest class you've ever taken in your whole life, or what I call the AP or IB model. What we're looking for here is deeper discovery, a chance to delve deeper into the coursework, into the material. We have embedded library instruction where you're working with a research librarian, project-based learning where you're actually taking what you're learning out into the community, working with our community partners, maybe a poster presentation, and then we really encourage you to apply for research conferences. What we're really hoping with all of this, with our coursework, with our involvement, is to build a community. We partner with lots of organizations and programs on campus. And so we really want our students to be involved everywhere. We do encourage research conferences. There's a number of research conferences throughout the year. The UCI conference, we always take a large contingent there. Applications are due each November, December, and then you're notified in January, and usually in spring we have April or a March conference at UCI, which is a great opportunity to get to know UC Irvine a little bit better. There's also a Bay Area conference each May where our students can go. The honors program, pays travel costs, and we fly up to either Berkeley or Stanford. They trade off hosting our honors research symposium, and you get the opportunity to meet lots of different students from around the state who are doing the same thing. We have 2 honor societies on campus. They're not directly affiliated with the honors program, but a lot of our students are involved in Alpha Gamma Sigma or Phi Theta Kappa, and a lot of the members of those honors societies join our honors program. So we encourage you to get involved with the 2 honor societies. We also partner with Study Abroad. Our honors courses are taught in the Study Abroad program. And so check out the offerings of where our students are headed around the world, and you can take honors with you. If you're a STEM major, we have lots of opportunities with the STEM discipline faculty, with the clubs on campus that take field trips and have guest speakers, have folks come on campus to talk about career opportunities. We really encourage you to visit the Career Center and get an idea of where you're headed. Maybe an internship that the Career Center can arrange. We have had honor students do the White House internship, Wall Street internship, NASA visits to the United Nations to present research. So really a great opportunity to get some really valuable experience. What does it mean to be honor certified, to finish the program? Well, out of the 60 units or 60 or so units that you need to transfer as a junior to the UC or the CSU, 15 of those units we want to be honors coursework. So you need to complete at least 15 units of honors coursework and have a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.4 or higher in your honors and non-honors courses. For STEM students, we have an alternative track where you might not be able to get all 15 courses in because there are sequential courses and lab work that needs to be done. So we ask you to complete at least 9 units of honors coursework, and then we'll count the last 6 units that you already have from your STEM coursework. To do that, to complete on this path, you need to do extra STEM activities, whether that's a job internship or presenting your research at some of those conferences, doing intensive experience with your knowledge. We've had students, again, who have gone to NASA or present their research in front of the United Nations or compete in a robotics competition. All of that, the extra, the deep dive, the high impact learning that's happening maybe outside of the classroom is going to count. And then again, the same GPA of 3.4. We encourage you to talk to our honors counselors, Lali Santana and Anna Tovar. Our STEM counselor, John Michael Hadabaugh, are there, and really get involved. Join the honors program through our email or visit our website. And again, if you have any questions or you just want to find out more, come talk to me. I've got office hours in room 225 every Tuesday morning during the semester, or you can contact our office in the building. So I look forward to meeting you and having you join honors.